Hi, good morning. Welcome back to sharegiants. I will see about a delivery call. Today's delivery call is a Delta CORP. This call we have already given in Twitter, 24th of December, around at 108 rupee 25 paisa. The target for this stock is 140, 160 and 200 rupees. The stock can slip to 60 to 50 rupees. Holding period is 2 to 3 years. This we have given on December 24th on Twitter. Now we will give it here. First, just we will see about the company. Company is in the finance sector. Few things about the company. Company just now it is 52-week high of almost 113 rupees 20 paisa. The company is trading with a volume of close to 53 lakhs today, and every day volume, 30-day volume is close to 17 lakhs. It's almost 4 times of the volume. Market cap of the company is close to 2,543 crores. The PE ratio is very heavy. It's trading almost 82.78. Book value is 30 rupees. Industry PE is close to 36. TBS is close to 1.35. Price to book is close to 3.63, and everyday delivery percentage is close to 20% of its volume, and face value of the company is 1 rupees. It's a very high beta counter. You can make big money, but you have to be very patient because the stock is high volatile. It can come down to any level. It can dip down to 60 rupees. Right now it's trading around 111 rupees. It can dip down to 60 to 50 if the market collapses. The target for the stock is 140, 160, 200 and 215 next 1 to 2 years, so it can double your money next 2 to 3 years. Few things about the company. If you see about how much return it has given for the past 1 year, it has given almost a return of 40%, and in 9 months it has given a return of 152%, and 6 months it has given a return of 100%. So you can see the volatility in how high beta stock this is. For a 30-day moving average, this company is close to 96, and 50 days almost 92, and 150 days close to 70 and 67. So if the stock drops, the support level is close to at 70 to 67 rupees. Now we'll see with the company. The company started in 2007 in the name of Arrow Vertex Limited. Then they changed the name. From there they've changed the name to Delta CORP on 2008. The face value of the company is also split on 2008 from 10 rupee to 1 rupee. Now if you see about the shareholding, almost 41% is holded by promoters, and others hold almost 59%, and almost 8.4% of the stock is pledged. Peers: India Bulls, Network 18, Advice and SKS Microfinance with peers. Maximum thing, if you can start accumulating the stock between 111 to 80 rupees. So whenever you're getting the sufficient profit, you can start booking, and investors can hold on the stock up to a profit of 200 rupees. Again, I have repeated the target. Right now it's trading at 111. It can dip down to 60 to 50 rupees. Target for this stock is 140, 160, 200 and 250 in next 2 to 3 years. For more, visit our website. You can post your queries in your Twitter.